Y'all know when this mirror come out. Y'all know what that mean, right? Y'all, okay, just let's go. Roll the video. Hey, it's Naturall people and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to be washing my hair because it's definitely time. I don't know how I went so long without washing it, but clearly, you can clearly see that it was definitely time for me to wash it. But before we get into all of that, be sure that you subscribe to the channel and go ahead and hit the notification bell while you're at it so that you can be updated as soon as I post a new video or any content on YouTube. So in this video, I'm going to be washing my hair, as I said earlier. I'm going to be using Naturall products to complete my wash and possibly my retwist, but we'll see once we get to that part. They have this cleansing avocado shampoo, and they have this hydrating avocado conditioner that I'm going to use to complete my wash and condition. And then I'm going to try to use the their pure avocado oil to knock out my retwist, but it is, the consistency of it is oil, and y'all know I kind of prefer like that cream gel-ish thing that my ORS does. But we're gonna give it a try and we're gonna let you guys know how that goes. So, off to wash this hair. So yeah, we're done. Hair is all washed and cleaned. Let me tell y'all about that. One thing, the shampoo, don't fuck up. I had to use a lot of it. I don't know if it was because my hair was dirty or it wasn't, whatever the case was, but I did use a lot. But I really wanted to make sure my hair was clean because, like I said, it looked a fool and it felt so heavy and my face was like really doing a number on the breakout tip. So I wanted to just make sure we got all that situated and squared away. So I wanted to do my thing with that. Surprisingly, I did not use that much conditioner this go around. I wanted to keep it very light. The consistency of it is, I'll show you now again, just in case it's not as clear in the video. But it did well on wet hair, so. So it's like that, and so it seeped into my locks pretty easily. So I didn't want to put too much in the event that I got lazy and didn't rinse everything out. But we rinsed everything out accordingly, got everything out of there, and I think it did pretty good. So we're gonna give the oh, I guess I should show you the consistency of the shampoo, which I mean, I love this consistency. It felt like I love the consistency of this shampoo. It gives like a clarifying sort of feel of it. So we're gonna do a little bit, like, look at that. Can't really see, but that's what that shampoo looks like. But the oil, I'm gonna give the oil a try, simply because I want to try to see if I can use the total line of their product, or at least for Locs. So far we know the shampoo and the conditioner work, but we just want to see if this oil is gonna work. And I haven't put anything else in my hair since I got out the shower. So, but this is the consistency of it. It's really like light, like a very light oil. It doesn't even like, so I'm concerned. Doesn't have much fragrance, so that's pretty good, because I don't know. But let's just see. Let's see with one. I'm gonna put some water on my hair again because it's dried a little bit since I've gotten out the shower. So we're gonna see what one of them looks like, and this will be a little quick lesson for any of my newer people here on retwisting. So you never want to retwist dry hair. So I'm gonna just do one in the front. So I'm gonna take this. There's a thicker one in the front. So when you're retwisting your hair, depending on how anal you are, for right now, this is a learning point, so I'm not gonna be that anal with this retwist, but you would get, you know, your section of hair together. You know, you put your product in. So for us, we're just gonna go row by row and put this in if we decide to do it. But for sake, use that much oil, put that in like that. Make sure to get all the product in there evenly. See how much Naturall I got? That means it was time. Definitely time. So, okay. So you pull all the hair up, right? Now you usually can see, but I'm trying to look through this lens at my reflection, and it's not the best. So you take the hair, once it's twisted down, roll it, and then you palm roll. Then you clip it or whatever you're gonna do, but that's how you retwist your locks, people. So we'll do that one more time, right here, and I'm gonna retwist these, trust me. So straighten out the hair, put your little product, spread out the product, pull all the hair together, twist in the direction that you twist in, palm roll the rest. Oh no, palm roll the rest. So we're gonna see what this looks like once I straighten everything out. I'm gonna give it a try, I'm gonna give it a go, and I'll come back with the results. I mean, I'll put some retwisting stuff here. I like the way it feels though, the oil in it. Look at that, how that looks. All moisturized and stuff. All right, Naturall, I see y'all. So we're gonna get to it. What I'm gonna use in this video: some no clips, scrunchie, comb, oil. Let's get to it.
Next time.
Alright y'all, so checking back in. So we've made some progress. I got like this much to go left, but as you can see, I'm really trying to use this oil to make sure the retwist takes. My forehead is now moisturized, shining, greasy, whatever you want to call it. It's that right now. But give you guys a little view of the progress. We almost done. It's holding pretty well, in my opinion, to be just only oil. I'm used to using like a cream and something like that, so it's holding pretty well, so shout out to that. So next time y'all see me, I'll have it all finished. Probably won't be dry, so I'll more than likely carry myself to the gym with these clips in, because we ain't gonna waste my time and take this hair out before then. So yeah, gotta find a cap or something to work out in. Alright y'all, it's been a journey. I'm tired. So far I'm okay with what it's looking like. We'll see after the dry how much of it stays. I put this on to kind of lay down those edges, but for right now I'm okay with what this is looking like so far. A lot of it is definitely on me, and I'll explain that in another video, what I'm talking about when I say it's on me. We'll talk once it dries. I'm gonna probably go sit under the little dryer that I use. So yeah, see y'all in a little bit.